Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain you what is icon widget in Flutter. And let me start with adding a body property, and inside that let me add row widget, and I'm going to use children property to add a list of icons in this row. So inside the square brackets let me add icon widget. So icons dot, let me add phone icon. So let me save and run this. See, phone icon is added. Let me resize its size using a parameter called size. You can customize this icon using many parameters in this icon widget. So add a comma here and then add size parameter. Let me give 70 here. So now you can see the size of this icon have increased. You can also add color to this icon using color parameter. So add color parameter, colors dot, let me add green. So it is looking good now. And similarly you can add any icons. Let me copy this and I'm going to paste it twice. And I will just rename this icon name to email, and I'm just changing color to blue. Okay, so let me change this font to let me use a camera front. So let me use this. Here are many options inside camera also, so let me use this camera front, and I'm going to change its color to red. Okay, let's run this. So icons have added. You can also give space between this using cross axis alignment or main axis alignment. So you can also add text behind or below this icon. So to add this, I'm going to use column widget, and I will wrap this icon with column widget, and then I will add text. So click before this icon and click on actions menu, then wrap with the column. So now after this icon widget, I'm going to add text widget, and inside that I'm giving some text is phone, because it is phone icon. So similarly wrap this second icon widget with column. Let me wrap it with column, and after this icon add a comma and add a text widget, and I will give text as email for email icon. So wrap with column and then add text. Camera. Okay, that's fine. And let me run this. See, below this icon widgets text have added. So I have added these icons in a row, and inside a row I have used a column widget to add this text to each and every icons. Okay. So similarly, if you want to see list of icons, you can go to material dot, let me type material.io/resources/icons. I have provided this link in the description, so you can use that link. So click on this, and here are many icons that you can use in your Flutter application. So all these icons can support to Flutter application in our Android Studio. So for example, let me use one of this icon, and let me use this lock icon. You can just type this lock. So go to our Android Studio, and let me change this camera front to, let me type lock, and I'm going to change in the text also. Let me rename this camera to lock. So it is so simple, lock icon have added. So you can see the source code in the description and do experiment on different properties. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.